Here we are here on Quays swing bridge at Canary Wharf, and I think yeah, that's supposed to be only this one. But so I guess this is no longer in use. Yeah, I don't think this is anymore. Yes, I say this is abandoned. Yeah, it's definitely abandoned. So here on Quays swing bridge, abandoned. So it's just the one barrier arm, which is just shut like that.
It's a bit weird. It's like a humble point.
A brickwork. The Bosnia sounded still visible at least. Site projection through there. Site plant crossing. Brickwork there. It's only one brickwork. Safe to say that this crossing is being decommissioned. New gate. Forest Strategic Road. Yeah, nothing really. So now it's safe to say that this. Wait, I think is that brickwork? I can't tell. See what goes back. Yes, actually I can't tell. Yeah, that's not a good one. So it's safe to say that this swing bridge is officially decommissioned. Goodbye.